This recipe is from our bioentomologist, and this usually works with any flu type of illness, including the coronavirus or COVID-19 that the world is currently dealing with. None of us like liver, but this recipe is quite an exception. Put half a kilo of liver in a big bowl or directly in a pot or pan. Then add half a cup of soy sauce. Now, we don't usually suggest using soy sauce when you're sick because it reduces immunity just like Ajinomoto or other glutamic acid products. But we understand that Filipinos cannot live without soy sauce. So we use Silver Swan because it is the best. So anyone from Silver Swan Company there just listening, you can send us a lifetime supplies or anything would be great. And then add half a cup of vinegar or suka. We prefer Silver Swan suka as well, but we ran out, so we had to use another. Then add 1/8 of a cup of coconut oil. It is good for Alzheimer's or any kind of cognitive impairment. Coconut oil digests in your mouth rather than taxing your digestive system. Now, one thing about this recipe is not only does it have strong antivirus, it also is loaded with vitamin A and vitamin D, which is powerful protection for your respiratory system. It contains high level of minerals that alkalinizes your body, which makes it difficult for disease to survive. Onion, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, pepper, and pomelo leaves, and you add these as much as you desire. Now, ginger and pepper adds kick to the liver, and the pomelo leaves removes that livery taste that most people hate. You can also use calamansi leaves, but I think pomelo is stronger. Lemongrass adds flavor and helps the pomelo leaves remove that livery taste. If you decided to use a bowl, pour it into a pot or pan and add the onions, garlic, the ginger, lemongrass, and the pomelo leaves. Put on the top and stir it once in a while. I have forgotten to turn the stove on before and dinner was a little bit late. So make sure you turn the stove on because otherwise it's not going to cook. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not watched our previous videos, make sure you do that and also subscribe and click on the bell to get a notification when we post new videos. Don't forget to share and leave a thumbs up. We appreciate it, and see you next time.